Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nails Lioness here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, hey, hi. Okay, so in this video, first of all, let me start by saying I was not planning on doing this hairstyle. I completely had something else in mind, but I just went with the flow because things happen. Anyhow, so let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm starting off on hair that's already being moisturized. So I am not going to be moisturizing my hair since I have already done that, and also I will not be using gel in this video because I just washed my hair and I am not trying to get it dirty, and it's fine. I really don't need gel. Okay, I'm not trying to slick down my flossy hair, at least not in this tutorial. So anyway, let's just get into it. And well, I'm just patting my hair from ear to ear, and then I'm gonna pat it in the middle, and I'm just doing this just so I should prepare my hair for the hairstyle that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be patting my hair in 4 sections on each side. And like I said, I wasn't worried about my pats being precise and neat because I initially had a different hairstyle and I just went with the flow. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm doing in this clip. So I'm just patting my hair into 4 sections on each side, and then I'm going to end up twisting it. But the funny thing is, some of them started to unravel, and then I ended up changing the hairstyle. So anyways, I'm not gonna ramble, so you guys can just watch and see what I'm doing. Oh. Also guys, I have to mention that you have to make sure, since you're using rubber on your natural hair, you have to be very careful. You have to make sure that you oil the rubber, that way it doesn't cause friction to your hair and then end up causing breakage. And also you have to make sure that you're not tying it too tight, because we don't want our hair to be breaking. And yeah, I just wanted to mention that. And I also want to mention that I made sure that I didn't have this hair for a long time, because it's very important that when you have a protective style that you're actually really protecting your hair. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm just going to use a brush to gather all the hair in a hair tie. And then I ended up unraveling the 2 twists on the second row, and like I said, I was just going with the flow. This was like a freestyle. I didn't know exactly what I was doing, so I ended up unraveling those ones and then doing a crisscross with the ones in front, and I'm just using a bobby pin to secure that. Same thing with the 2 on the sides close to my ear. I'm just gonna crisscross those 2, and I'm also gonna use a safety pin to secure those. And now, using some expression hair that I already had, I'm just gonna do a bun with that and just secure it with bobby pins. Make sure you secure it and play with it until you find what you like. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use some hair jewelry to finish up the look, and as you can see, it is so cute, but I wasn't feeling it like that, so I ended up trying something different. And I'm splitting my hair in 2 to have like 2 buns on the side, on each side of my head. And I'm gonna be using different hair this time. I'm gonna be using Mali hair. So just like you do your, buns, we're not gonna explain this because we've already been there. We all know how to do this. So yeah. And I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that with bobby pins. And again, just make sure you play with it until you find what you like, what works for your head shape, what works for you, whatever you like. Oh, look at that pin, the bobby pin right there that I forgot about it. And that is the finished look for this look. So yeah, I think I like this one better, but you let me know which one do you like better, because I wasn't sure. Okay, I thought the other one was cute, and then I was like, I'm not sure, let me try something else. Then I tried this one. So let me know, the one bun or the two buns. Let me know in the comment below which one you like, which one you're gonna try. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, that way you don't miss any uploads from me. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.